don't own the game yet, you can get it at the moment free on GG.com. It's free for 48 hours. So I got mine there. If you see this video today or tomorrow, then you can simply go to the main page of Portkit.com and then click on the Get It. You see this video later, then the Windows game and port. File or the zip file, and then launch it there. Sierra and as much games available there as well, but we are dependent on one development. For launch it, and then go to because being launched, you go to the news page, go to the library tab, and there you will see local install port. Well, you have no local install port if you open it the first time, but you have the library where you can search the games you want and which are added into the database and are tested by us. You can also, of course, install custom ports. If you have other games, you can try to install it and see if you can make it working. But these games in the database are tested by us. If you go to the game page here, you see it has an Apple sign. Okay, it's still working for Apple, but if you're check carefully, you can see here that the game is not supported on Mac OS Big Sur and Intel only. The Mac OS Big Sur is available for the Android. So when you download the setup file, because you need the setup file in, well, if you downloaded it, you can start the installation for Portkit. So let's start install, and you will see here also notification here that's so important to download the whole library installer file. And then Portkit will create the port, and will also install the Windows game into. So let's wait a little bit the automatic process. Moments installation of files, as you can see. So this installation will take a bit. Yep, successful. Click on exit. Always click on exit. Don't launch the game because the installation process is not finished yet. So always click on exit. And you will see here now the installation has been successful. And you see also the port on your local appear on your local installed ports. Click on close. Select it. And then click on play. And then you will see that the game will be launched. It's a game with old resolutions. I think it was 1024x768. You can play it on your M1 Apple One Silicon chip Max, and of course on Intel and using Big Sur, as you can see. Okay, thank you for watching.